I'm really hungry. Wait, I found his Eric Tran's food.
Why are you taking you so long in the restroom? Bro, you're always, I hate having you as a co-pilot. You're always in the restroom. You're out of the restroom. I'm always flying the plane. You're never here to fight a plane. Why do we even have you? Hey, stop touching my food.
What?
That's what you get for exposing Inspector. You had your own food already. How about I really hate flying with you? I don't like you. You're never going to become anything in your life. When are you even going to get a friend? You keep telling me for many times you're going to get a friend. I'm going to get a friend. You're not getting a friend and you're having heartbroken. In fact, I hate you, bro. The drink. God, I forgot my drink. Take over the control of your back. You wouldn't touch my food again. Is what you get for exposing Inspector?
Eric Tran left. Time to eat all of his Eric Tran's food before Eric sees us. Finally, I ate all of Eric Tran's food. Time to control this thing.
What in the world is going on here?
My food!
That's it. I'm gonna ban you. Now you're gonna pay that. What have you done? Get out.
Please don't do it.
And now you did this to yourself. Let's go.